Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be discussing about how to create a model in Salesforce, a custom model in Salesforce. So before get started, please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. So I'm a Sales Console. So I'll search for Einstein Studio from the app launcher. In the Studio, we can find a model library. So under model library, we can see all the Salesforce enabled models are available like OpenAI GPT-4, OpenAI GPT 3.5 Turbo, etc. If I click one of the model, like these are the configurations, so it's created by Salesforce. These are the standard models, and model type is generative. So there are two models types like generative or predictive, and capabilities like chat completion. We can use this model in prompt template. So where we can use this model, like I am opening a prompt template for the quick reference. Like in template properties, we can see different model types like standard or custom. So standard models, which are all Salesforce provided standard models, will be shown, and after creating a custom model, it will appear in this section. So the custom model, like models imported using bring your own model or LLM. But as of now, I will just update our existing standard model to create a new model. So like this is a standard model, GPT 3.5 Turbo. I'll reconfigure this one and create a new model. Like in the model configuration, I'll select the click create model radio button, and like my foundation model is GPT 3.5 Turbo. Capabilities like chat completion, and in the advanced settings we have different attributes like temperature, frequency penalty, presence penalty. And I'll discuss this one. Like a temperature attribute is like how the response will vary based on the range. So we have the range like from 0.0 to 2.0. So whenever the value is lower and towards zero, and it will be more generic and predictable. But as the range higher, as the number increases, it will be more random and more variance we can see in the response. So let me show you one example so that we can understand very quickly. Like I am setting the temperature as 0.3, and like let me put a prompt like a short story within 50 words about a dog who goes on a small adventure in its neighborhood and discovers something unexpected. So let me generate this one. And response is like Rusty the dog wandered off on his own, sniffing around the neighborhood. He stumbled upon a hidden path leading to a lush garden filled with colorful flowers. As he explored, he found a lost kitten hiding in the bushes. Rusty gently nudged the kitten out, leading it back home. So this is how um, the response whenever the temperature is set to 0.3. Now I will increase the temperature to 1, and let me regenerate this prompt again. Yeah, Rusty the dog wandered off his usual route and found a hidden meadow behind the park. There he stumbled upon a family of rabbits munching on clover. They stared at each other in surprise before playful chasing ensued. From then, Rusty visited his new friends every day. So this is likely very different response. Uh, so we can see much variance uh, as like the before generated response. So this is how the temperature works behind. And there are two more attributes like frequency penalty and presence penalty. Frequency penalty is nothing but the repetitiveness of the generated words. So higher the number, so Higher the numbers means it's like less likely to generate the same words. So repetition will be much lesser whenever it's set to higher number. And presence penalty is nothing but the number, whenever the number higher, the more unique words will be used. Okay, so there will be same words repetition will be less. So more unique words will be used whenever the range is set to higher. And for frequency penalty, the range is like -2.0 to up to +2.0. And for presence penalty, the range is same. But for temperature, the range is like is 0.0 to 2.0. So this is how like we can create our own custom model, and I'm like saving this one and setting it to like 0.5, presence penalty 0, frequency penalty 0. I'm saving this model like my first model, creating this model.